Could have went straight, hit this other little back road, but the same road, just two different exits. I mean, two different ways. This light right here. Look at the condos. Those was never there. She wanna be the only one, not the favorite. We used to always be in them apartments in the pool. That was our come-to pool right there. Over there in them apartments. Yeah, this is Miami Gardens, aka Carol City, you will say. That's Brentwood Elementary. I went there. Brentwood. Green light, bro. Come on now. Taxi, baby. Baby. Yeah, man. It used to be all right here. This is my area right here, bro. Take you past the block. It's the way I walk home from school and stuff. Coming down the block right here. 187 right here, baby. The block right here. 187 Terrace. My old house right there. It's my homeboy grandma them house. The block. Yeah, man, this is it right here. This is it. Prime Miami right here. It's the high school right here. The old school actually used to be on this side. They tore it down and built it on the other side. So I'll let y'all see. I'm gonna go this way so y'all can see the park, and then we'll go past the front of the school. Get a quick little rip. Park. Let me believe it. Believe it, you're gonna see it. Let's make me believe it. Here out front of the school, then go to my grandma's house. Gonna get some food to start barbecuing, baby. Down here till Sunday morning, so it's Friday today. Time to go. This so let me know. Park. Ain't nobody out here. During your time. So we out in front of the school. My guy. Alright, so this the front. This the new school right here. That's all they built right here. It's crazy. Carol City High School, Miami Carol City, senior high. Man, all this is new. There used to be a field right there. Everything in there is new. All that's new. That gas station, it ain't new, but they put it there like recent.